Write down an electric iron energy consumes energy at a rate of 880 watt. At a rate of
880 watt.
When heating is at the maximum rate, when heating is at the maximum rate, when heating is at the maximum rate and 340 watt, comma, when the heating is at the minimum, when the heating is at the minimum, full stop. The voltage is 220 volt. The voltage is 220 volt. What are the current and the resistance in each case? What are the current and the resistance in each case? What are the current and the resistance in each case? An electric iron consumes energy at a rate of 880 watt when heating is at the maximum rate. Maximum rate heat करले power होची केते 880 watt and 340 watt when the heating is at the minimum rate. Minimum rate रे heating करले केते power consume होची 340 watt. Voltage is 220.
Sir, 4 will like.
Current. Maximum current when heating is at the maximum rate, I equal to P by V.
4 ampere.
880 by 220. 4 ampere. Resistance find.
55.
Resistance R equal to V by I.
55.
220 by 4.
50.
Sumresh, Sumya.
D.
Give your attendance. When heating is at the minimum rate, find current I equal to P by V. Minimum power is 340 by V 220. 1.54. 1.54. Resistance of iron R equal to V by I 220 by 1.54. 142.85. Next question. A hot plate of an electric oven. A hot plate of an electric oven connected to a 220 volt line has two resistance coils A and B. A hot plate of an electric oven connected to a 220 volt line has two resistance coils A and B, each of 24 ohm resistance,
24.
which may be used separately, or in series or in parallel. What are the currents in three cases? Good. It is separately used, series case and parallel case. What are the currents in three cases? Sumeshri present achu? Sumresh. What are given? Potential difference B equal to 220 volt. Resistance of A and resistance of B. Resistance of A and resistance of B equal to 24 ohm. RA equal to RB equal to 24 ohm. You have to find the current in plates when used separately. I equal write down current in plates when used separately. I equal to V by RA and resistance in A equal to 220 by 24. 220 by 24. Calculate. Next write down I equal to V by RB for coil B. I current for coil B. I equal to V by RB. Say 220 by 24. Same. Coil A and coil B. Current is the same. Why current is the same?
Because it's series.
Resistance is the same.
Each.
Resistance is the same 24 each. 220 by 24 both cases. Second point, current in plates when connected in series. Write down current in plates when connected in series. Heading. देखो current in series two resistance are connected in series A and B. ताले net resistance है जो 24 plus 24 48 ohm. Net resistance R equal to
48 ohm.
24 plus 24
225.
48 ohm.
4.5.
Current I equal to V by R. I equal to V by R. 220 by 48. 4.58 ampere. तापर थर्ड पॉइंट रे current in plates when connected in parallel. 1 by
24.
100.
आगे लिख current in plates when connected in parallel. Find the parallel connection the net resistance केते हो 1 by R equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2. 1 by R equal to 1 by 24 plus 1 by 24. 2 by 24 ता माने 12. Net resistance 12 ohm.
Current 18.3.
Current हो V by R 220 by 12.
18.3.
18.32. Sumresh बुझू जी Next question. An electric heater of resistance 8 ohm draws 15 ampere from the mains for 2 hours. An electric heater of resistance 8 ohm draws 15 ampere from the mains for 2 hours. Calculate the rate at which heat is developed in the heater. Calculate the rate at which heat is developed in the heater.
Point 16 into 10 to the power 5.
What?
2.16 into 10 to the power 5.
You are wrong. Calculate the rate at which heat is developed in the heater. Write down what are given. Resistance R equal to 8 ohm, I equal to 15 ampere, time equal to 2 hour, which is 7200 second. Per rate माने per second रखते. Time equal to 7200 second. 2 hour means Siddhi, 2 hours means how many second?
7200.
Time. Heat developed H equal to I square RT, P equal to H by T. H find करो, H रे वैल्यू को कैलकुलेट करो नहीं, H equal to I square RT. ता तले लिखो P equal to H by T. H रे वैल्यू जहाँ लिखी जो I square RT by T. T कैंसिल है जो.
equal to I square.
खाली I square R. P equal to H by T, H equal to I square R T by T. 1800 watt by 1800 joule per second. What is your answer कहीं? In complete oxidation, dash are converted into carboxylic acid.
How is question?
In complete oxidation, dash are converted into carboxylic acid.
Is alcohol.
Very good. In partial oxidation, dash are converted into aldehyde,
Ethanol is
alcohol. In partial oxidation, alcohol converted into aldehyde. In complete oxidation, alcohol converted into carboxylic acid. Which hydrocarbon, saturated or unsaturated hydrocarbon, shows combustion and oxidation? Both. Substitution reaction are given by only saturated. Addition reaction are given by
Unsaturated.
animal fats are saturated fatty acid.
Plants.
Plants are saturated.
Which reagent can be used to convert alcohols to carboxylic acid?
Acidified KCl2O7 alkaline chemical.
Acidified potassium dichromate or alkaline potassium permanganate. What is the dehydration reaction?
In this reaction, the water of the
Removal of water molecules from a compound. In dehydration reaction, when ethanol is heated at 443 Kelvin with excess concentration sulfuric acid, the water molecules get converted from, by the water molecules get removed from it, and ethene or unsaturated hydrocarbon is formed. What is saponification?
Type of reaction in which the ester is converted back into the sodium salt of ethanol and carboxylic acid. It is mainly used in soap and detergent.
The ester gets converted back into alcohol and sodium salt of acid when treated with the alkali like sodium hydroxide. Such reaction is known as saponification. What will happen when sodium carbonate reacts with acetic acid? Acetic acid, write down CH3COH plus sodium carbonate Na2CO3.
Sodium acetate carbon
Carbon
dioxide
dioxide.
Very good. Sodium acetate CH3CONA
Carbon
plus
dioxide.
H2O plus carbon dioxide. Write two structural isomer of bromopentane. Write the formula of bromopentane CH3 CH2 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 CH2Br. CH3 CH2 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 CH2Br. Write the structural isomer. Next question, assertion is magnesium chloride is an ionic compound. Reason is metals and non-metals react by mutual transfer of electrons.
Assertion is true.
Magnesium chloride is an ionic compound. metals and region hela metals and non-metals react by mutual transfer of electrons.
And the true region is not the
Both are true. R is the correct explanation. Mutual transfer, not sharing. Ionic compound ro electron loss or gain हुए transfer of electron सेटा भी true. Covalent compounds गुड़ी को उची जोड़ा share करे. Assertion is highly reactive metals is deposited. Sorry, highly reactive metals are obtained by electrolytic reduction. Reason is in the electrolytic reduction. Metal is deposited at the cathode.
Sir, dida ठीक ଅଛି option A.
Wrong. Option B. Both are correct, but R is not the correct explanation. Next, assertion is alloys are commonly used in electrical heating device like electric iron and heater. Reason is alloys have lower melting point than their constituent metals.
H2 R is
C option. H2.
R is false.
What happens when calcium react with nitric acid? Calcium nitrate, very good. Calcium nitrate, dinitrogen monoxide, N2O, dinitrogen monoxide, N2O, and water. What change would you observe when a copper wire is dipped in an aqueous solution of silver nitrate solution? What change would you observe when a copper wire is dipped in an aqueous solution of silver nitrate?
no reaction. Copper is more reactive.
Why?
Copper is more reactive.
Copper is?
More reactive than silver.
तो हबनी कहीं सिल्वर नाइट्रेट सॉल्यूशन पर
Silver
Copper
copper
nitrate.
हाँ कपर कहीं हबनी कौन पे
Copper is the silver.
हाँ करी परियो तो
Yes, sir.
नो रिएक्शन हुए the color of the solution change from colorless to blue. Silver solutions generally water color but जो colorless, the color change to blue, and silver solid deposits on copper wire. Silver टा copper wire ऊपर deposit कीजिए, displacement करिए. Which method is used to extract the metals present at the top of the series?
electrolytic refining.
Electrolytic reduction. Why do copper sulfate crystal turns white on heating? Copper sulfate crystal turns white on heating. Why? But copper sulfate crystal when mixed with water form blue color. But when copper sulfate crystals are heated to turn white. Why? When copper sulfate crystals are heated, it lost water molecules. It lost water molecules to form anhydrous copper sulfate. Anhydrous means water loss. So its color is white. When copper sulfate crystal को जब हमें heat कर दो है जाली वैसे blue color टा कौन है जो white है ता भीतर water अच्छी बोले blue color. Water जब जाली ला मने कौन water टा evaporate ही पड़े वो ता color कौन है जो
White is
चुप चुप नहीं. Write the chemical name and chemical formula of the salt used to remove permanent hardness of water.
Sodium.
Washing soda, Na2CO3 10H2O, sodium carbonate, decahydrate. How is gypsum prepared? Explain with the help of a chemical reaction. Give the number of water of crystallization in gypsum.
CS4 into half.
When plaster of Paris on mixing with water to form gypsum, CaSO4 half H2O plus 1 half H2O gives CaSO4 2H2O gypsum. How many water of crystallization present in gypsum? 2. How many water of crystallization present in plaster of Paris?
I can hear it.